Now, the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, you can check if that does not work. Now, if you're using any kind of mods, you can disable it or you can remove the mods and then relaunch the game. Next step is to set override high DPI scaling to system enhanced or application. Now, for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, click on browse local files. Now, over here, make a right click on the game exe file, select properties, go to this tab, click on change high DPI settings, put a check on override high DPI scaling behavior, and you can set it to application and then click on OK. Then apply, click on OK, and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. Again, make a right click, go to properties. This time, change high DPI settings, put a check on. You can select this system or system enhanced. So you can try system enhanced, click on OK, and then hit apply, click on OK, launch the game, and then check. If that does not work, you can even try system. Try all three one by one and check which one is working fine for you. Apply, OK. Now still not working. In that case, you can uncheck this box, click on OK, apply, click on OK, and then follow the next step. Now disconnect multiple monitor. So if you have a multiple monitor setup, disconnect multiple monitor, try launching the game on single monitor and then check. Next step is to run the game from the game installation folder. Now for this, you can go to the game installation folder and then make a double click, launch the game from here and then check. If that does not work, make a right click, go to properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch the game and then check. Still not working, go to properties and this time put a check over here, select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game and then check. Still not working, disable full screen optimization, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game and then check. Still not working, you can even try Windows 7 over here, hit apply, click on OK, relaunch the game and then check. Now, when you put a check on all these boxes, still not working, you can uncheck these boxes, hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now, the next step is to verify the game files. Now, for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrative game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game. Still not working, disable Steam overlay. Now, for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, go to properties, and over here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. If this is on, you can turn it off and then check. If this is already off, you can turn it on and then check. Close other overlay application, like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay and close Discord. If you have NVIDIA app running, you can go to NVIDIA app settings and then you can turn off this NVIDIA overlay over here and then close NVIDIA app and then you can relaunch the game. Next is to clear Steam download cache. Now for this, you can go to Steam, click on Steam over here, go to settings and then go to downloads over here and click on clear cache over here and click on confirm. It will restart Steam and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to try DX11 or DX12 in the launch option. Make a right click on the game, select properties. In the launch option, you can type in dash DX11. Now you can close this, relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even try dash DX12 over here, launch the game and then check. Still not working, you can remove this, follow the next step. Now the next step is to rename the config file. To rename the config file, make a right click on the game over here, manage browse local files. Over here you will see risk of rain 2 data folder. You can create a backup first. When you rename the config folder, all the saved settings will be lost. Now for this, if you want, you can create a backup. Once you have a backup created, now you can rename this config folder and now relaunch the game and then check. Still not working, rename the save game files. Now when you rename the save game files, before you rename it, create a backup first, because all the save game progress will be lost. You have to start everything from scratch. So if you agree, you can open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open go to C drive, open program files x86 over here, and then open the Steam folder. Now open this user data folder, scroll down, click on, make a double click, open user data, open your Steam ID folder and find this 632360, and then you can make a right click, create a backup. So copy this folder, paste it over here, and once you have a backup created over here, now you can make a right click and then you can click on rename and rename this folder. All the save game progress will be lost. You have to start everything from scratch. Now relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see this x86 and x64 file. You have to download both x86 and x64. Run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Again, run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. And let the installation complete. Once both are installed, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. If you're using Windows Security, open Windows Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Scroll down, click on Virus and Threat Protection over here, and then scroll down. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through Control Folder Access. Click on Yes to allow. Add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then go to the game installation folder. Select the game exe file. Click on Open. Now type in Control Panel in Windows search box. Click on Control Panel. System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings. Allow another app. Click on Browse. Go to the game installation folder. Select the game exe file. Click on Open. Click on Add. In my case, the game is already added. Once the game is added, launch the game. Still not working. Now, if you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game exe file or the complete game folder to the exclusion list. Now the next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card, your operating system, click on find over here. On this page, you will see the latest graphic card driver, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on view and then click on download. And then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on agree and continue. Select custom option over here. Click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation and then click on next. Once this is done, restart your computer and then you can launch the game. Still not working. AMD card users do the same thing. Select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. I don't have AMD graphic. This is just an example. Select your graphic card, your operating system, and then whichever is the latest driver, download it, install it, restart your computer, and then check. Still not working. Run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, you can type in graphics settings in Windows search box. Click on graphics settings. Click on add desktop app. Go to the game installation folder and then open the game folder. Select the game exe file. Click on open. Once the game is added, now find the game in the list. Once the game is added, click on the game over here. Now over here, select high performance. You will see your graphic card over here. Now relaunch the game. Now desktop users, make sure that you connect your HDMI or display cable to the dedicated graphic card slot, not the motherboard slot. Now the next step is to try power saver mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box. Click on control panel. Go to hardware and sound and then go to power options. In my case, I have only balanced, but if you have this power saver option like this, select power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. Now you can even go for balanced or high performance, but first of all try power saver and then relaunch the game and then check. Also enable or disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box. Click on graphics settings and then click on advanced graphics settings. If hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, if this is off, turn it on and then relaunch the game. If this is already on, you can turn it off, relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. Next step is to disable integrated graphic card. Make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Now expand display adapter. If your computer has a dual graphic card like me, one is integrated, that is Intel in my case, other is discrete. So you can make a right click on the integrated graphic card and then click on disable device. And once done, relaunch the game and then check. Once you are done playing the game, or if you face any problem, you can come back and then make a right click, enable the device once again. Next step is to roll back graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, you can go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card, your operating system, and on this page, scroll down, click on view more versions. Maybe you can try to install older graphic card driver, view it, download it, install it. But when you go for installation, put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. And once that is done, restart your computer and then launch the game. If you have the AMD card, again, select your graphic card and then you can click on previous versions over here. Select your operating system. You can try maybe this one or this one. Try to install the older graphic card driver, restart your computer and then check. Next step is to try launching the game from NVIDIA app. NVIDIA card users, you can launch NVIDIA app on your computer and then go to graphics, or you can go to home. You will see the game over here. So click on play over here. Launch the game from here and then check. If that does not work, click on settings, or you can go to graphics, select the game over here. And then if you see optimize option, hit optimize. And once optimized, now you can relaunch the game and then check. If it is already optimized, then you will see revert option. So you can click on revert optimization and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working, try debug mode. Now for this, you can go to desktop, make a right click on the desktop, show more option, NVIDIA control panel, and then go to help option at the top, click on debug mode. Put a check on debug mode and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to restore NVIDIA control panel settings. Now for this, you can go to NVIDIA control panel once again, go to manage 3D settings, global settings, click on restore, yes, and at the bottom right you will see the apply option, hit apply and then relaunch the game. Also close NVIDIA app if it is not running. You can close NVIDIA app over here. NVIDIA app, you have to close the NVIDIA app and make sure that NVIDIA overlay is turned off. Next step is to lower down monitor refresh rate. So if your monitor refresh rate is 240 Hz, this is just an example. So lower it down to maybe 120 or 60 Hz and then check. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in view advanced system settings in Windows search box and then click on view advanced system settings over here. And then under advanced, click on settings, the first setting, and then click on advanced tab and then click on change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed and then select custom size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 gigabytes. So you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back the settings, so do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 gigabyte multiplied 1024, that is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5, that is 24576. For maximum size it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024, in my case 16384 megabyte, then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important, make sure that it hits set and then click on OK and then OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in view advanced system settings again and then click on view advanced system settings, go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change and then select system manage size this time and then click on set. Set is important, click on OK over here, hit apply, click on OK. You will see restart option, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, we will revert to default. So you can type in view advanced system settings once again, settings, advanced, change and put a check on this box and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices which you're not using. Like if you have any kind of external keyboard or mouse which you're not using, disconnect it. If you have like Keychron keyboard, Razer Huntsman keyboard which you're not using, disconnect it. Razer Tartarus, you can disconnect it. Disconnect extra any kind of USB adapter connected, disconnect extra control. Sometimes you have extra controller connected to the computer, disconnected. If you have any third-party application or services running, close it. Do not overclock. You can set the overclocking to default. Close all overclocking application, like if you have MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, etc. running, close it. Remove the undervolt if you have undervolted computer. Next step is to update your Windows. Now for this you can go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Still not working, update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number, and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can uninstall the game. After you uninstall, you can install the game to C drive. So if the game was installed to D drive or E drive or any external drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game was already installed to C drive, try installing the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.